In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform your voice with ElevenLabs' speech-to-speech feature. This handy tool can help you modify your voice in just a few steps, making it sound like someone else or simply enhancing your own voice. Whether you're creating content or just having fun, this feature is straightforward and user-friendly. Let's dive into the process. To start, you'll need to navigate to ElevenLabs' platform. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Speech-to-Speech, or sometimes referred to as Voice Changer. This is where all the magic happens. It's designed to be intuitive even for beginners, so you should feel right at home. Now you have a couple of options to work with your voice. You can either upload an audio file you've pre-recorded or, if you prefer, record your voice directly through your device's microphone. If you're uploading a file, make sure it's in a supported format for the smoothest experience. Recording directly is a great option too, especially if you want to hear the transformation in real time. Just ensure that your environment is quiet and free from background noise for the best results. After you've chosen or recorded your audio, it's time to select your target voice from the available library. ElevenLabs offers a wide variety of voices to choose from, catering to different accents, tones, and styles. This is your opportunity to get creative, whether you're looking to sound like a completely different person or add a unique spin to your original voice. Take your time browsing and listen to samples if available, to choose the voice that best fits your needs. Once you've settled on the perfect voice, it's time to fine-tune the settings to make sure the output is just right. You'll see options like stability and similarity. Stability refers to the consistency of the voice output. A higher stability setting makes the voice sound more uniform, while a lower stability setting can introduce variations. Adjust this setting based on how natural or dynamic you want the voice to be. Similarly, the similarity setting lets you control how closely the transformed voice resembles your original input. This can be particularly useful if you want some elements of your original voice to be retained in the transformation. Don't hesitate to experiment with these settings to see what each adjustment does. When you're satisfied with your settings, the next step is to hit that Generate button. This will create your new audio file. The platform will process the changes, and in just a short while, you'll have a newly transformed version of your audio to download. And there you have it. You've successfully transformed your voice. Remember to save your file and share it with friends or integrate it into your projects. I hope this guide proved helpful and inspires you to explore all the creative possibilities. Keep experimenting to discover what works best for your voice transformation goals.